Block your left nostril right now and take a deep breath. Now switch and try the other side. You'll find that one side is wide open, while the other feels almost completely restricted. This sensation has nothing to do with allergies or a cold. It is a physical symptom of a 90-minute biological tide that dictates your cognitive state every hour of the day. Most of us ignore this cycle, relying on caffeine and apps to brute force our way through chronic exhaustion. We try to keep our output at a constant peak, even when our biology is demanding a reset. Burnout is the inevitable result of running a high-performance system while ignoring the mechanical control panel located right in the middle of our face. Ancient yogic texts like the Shiva Swarodaya mapped this rhythm centuries ago, identifying a sequence of solar and lunar breaths that govern human potential. The mechanism is purely hydraulic. Inside your nose, erectile tissues called terpinates swell and shrink in a rhythmic dance, alternating the primary airflow from one side to the other. When the right nostril dominates, you enter a solar phase. This activates the left hemisphere and sympathetic nervous system, peaking logic and aggression. When the left nostril opens, the lunar phase stimulates the right hemisphere and parasympathetic system, shifting you into creative repair. In 1988, a study by Wernz, Bickford, and Bloom, published in Human Neurobiology, confirmed that this nasal cycle couples directly with alternating cerebral hemispheric activity. This means that trying to perform deep analytical work during a lunar phase is like trying to drive with your parking brake engaged. You are fighting your own hardware. But we aren't limited to being passive observers of this clock. Practitioners have long used botanical interventions to hack the cross-wiring of the nervous system, allowing them to flip the switch on command. The hack is simple. Apply firm pressure to the left armpit using your own fist or a pillow. This axillary pressure sends a signal to the brainstem to balance a perceived load. The brain responds by opening the airway on the opposite side to maximize oxygen. Within 5 minutes, mental fog vanishes as the right nostril clears and the logical left brain is forced to come back online. This mechanical override transforms you from a victim of bad timing into an operator who can trigger a focused state precisely when the moment demands it. Run an audit on your own system right now. Exhale softly onto the back of your hand. Which side hits with more pressure? Are you biologically prepped for hustle, or are you in chill mode? Tell us which side is dominant in the comments. Identifying your current state is the first step toward reclaiming your biological authority. However, this 90-minute oscillation is only the smallest gear in the system. Just as it moves the tides of the ocean, the gravitational pull of the moon acts on your internal fluids. During a full moon, your blood volume effectively expands, which increases cranial pressure. To maintain homeostasis, your internal breath rhythm is programmed to match this external gravity. Waking up with the wrong nostril active during these shifts means your biology is vibrating at the wrong frequency, creating weeks of internal friction. Synchronizing your breath with these macro cycles allows you to leverage gravitational pull rather than fighting it. To end the cycle of bad timing, you need a map that connects these biological gears to the larger clock. The living clock is the somatic manual for this process. It provides the specific protocols needed to master the science of Swarodaya and internal synchronization. Stop looking to the stars for permission. The mechanics of the universe are operating right now within your own breath. Click the link in the description to get your copy and become the owner of your own biological house.